తెలుగు వారి #1 చాయిస్ తెలుగు మ్యాట్రిమోనీ.
సత్యసాయి శత జయంతి ఉత్సవాలకు రాష్ట్రపతి ముర్ము హాజరయ్యారు. సత్యసాయి బాబా బోధనలు లక్షల మందికి మార్గం చూపాయన్నారు. తర్వాత జరిగిన సత్యసాయి ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ హైయర్ లెర్నింగ్ స్నాతకోత్సవానికి వైస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ వచ్చారు. నైతిక విలువలు నేర్పే కేంద్రంగా సత్యసాయి విద్యా సంస్థ విలసిల్లుతోందని ఆయన అన్నారు. ఒక ప్రత్యేక ఆశయంతో సత్యసాయి ఈ భూమి మీదకు వచ్చారని సీఎం చంద్రబాబు కొనియాడారు.
Sri Satya Sai Baba emphasized on the belief that service to mankind is service to God. He exhorted his devotees to follow his ideal. He oriented spirituality towards public welfare. He linked spirituality with selfless service and personal transformation. Sai Baba inspired millions to follow the path of service. It is a matter of satisfaction that his devotees in so many countries are serving the underprivileged and the needy. Sri Satya Sai Baba's message of selfless love through selfless service is inspiring the Sri Satya Sai Service Organization to volunteer for service. Satya Sai Baba's message of love all, serve all, and help ever, heart never, are eternal and universal.
This is an institution known for commitment to excellence in education infused with the timeless values of moral values. This institution was founded by Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba on 22nd November 1981. When they approached me, I asked them, and the Prime Minister is coming, then you can have this convocation also on that day. But they told every year we will have the convocation on the 22nd day of November. That is the principle we are having all these years.
Baba came to this world for a purpose. He lived for a purpose and left us with a great product, that is Bhagavan Sai Siddhantam. That is with all of us. Bhagavan said, the medium of instruction is discipline and love. Your first, second and third language are service, service, service. That is what he said.